Good morning, students. I am N. Srinivasulu Gaud, lecturer in mathematics, GDC Kalvakurti. Today is discuss about eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Okay. In this topic, subtopics is rank change of basis, eigenvalues and eigenvectors, the characteristic equations. Okay. State the rank theorem. State the rank theorem. Solution. For an m by n matrix A, the dimension of the column space and the row space are equal. This common dimension is said to be rank of matrix A. Therefore, rank of A is also equal to the number of pivot positions in A and satisfies rank A plus dimension of null A equal to n. State invertible matrix theorem. If if A is an invertible matrix of order n by n, then first one condition, the columns of A form a basis of r power n. Second one, column A equal to r power n. Third one, dimension of column A equal to n. Fourth one, rank A equal to n. Fifth one, null A equal to singletonsed 0 set. Sixth one, dimension of null A equal to 0. Dimension of null A equal to 0. Okay, this theorem is very important. The invertible matrix theorem is very important, and we listen. Next, if a 3 by 8 matrix A as rank 3, find dimension of null A, comma, dimension of row A and rank of A transport. Rank of A transport. Solution. Solution. Given matrix is rank of 3 by 8 matrix A equal to 3. From rank theorem, rank of A plus dimension of null A equal to n is implies 3 plus dimension of null A equal to 8 is implies dimension of null A equal to 8 minus 3. Therefore, dimension of null A equal to 5. Okay. Dimension of row A equal to dimension of rank of A. Dimension of row A equal to rank of A. Therefore, dimension of row A equal to rank A equal to 3. Therefore, dimension of row A equal to 3. Rank of A transport equal to dimension of row A. Therefore, rank of A transport equal to 3. Next problem. If the null space of a 5 by 6 matrix A is 4 dimensional, what is the dimension of the column space of A? Solution. Given that n equal to 6, null space of a 5 by 6 matrix A is 4 dimensional. That is, dimension of null A equal to 4. From rank theorem. Okay. Rank of A plus dimension of null A equal to n. Rank theorem. Therefore, rank A equal to 6 minus dimension of null A. N equal to 6 here. 6 minus dimension of null A is 4. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Therefore, rank A equal to 2. Since dimension of column A equal to rank A, here rank A is equal to 2. Therefore, dimension of column A equal to 2. This problem is over. Next, we discuss another problem. If the null space of A on 8 by 5 matrix A is two-dimensional, what is the dimension of the row space of A? Okay, answer. Given that n equal to 5, n equal to 5, null space of an 8 by 5 matrix A is two-dimensional. That is, dimension of null A equal to 2. From rank theorem, rank of A plus dimension of null A equal to n. Therefore, rank A equal to n minus dimension of null A. N means 5, dimension of null A means 2. Therefore, rank A equal to 5 minus 2 means 3. Therefore, rank A equal to 3. Since we know that dimension of row A equal to rank A, here rank A equal to 3 na. Therefore, dimension of row A equal to 3. Okay, this problem is over. Next, we discuss another problem. If A is a 7 by 5 matrix, what is the largest possible rank of A? What is the largest possible rank of A? Question mark. If A is a 5 by 7 matrix, A is a 5 by 7 matrix. If possible rank of A, okay, solution. The rank of A is the number of pivot positions in matrix A. Since the number of pivot positions cannot exceed the number of rows or columns, therefore, the largest possible rank A is 5. The largest possible rank is 5. Okay, over. Next, we discuss another problem. If A is a 4 by 3 matrix, what is the largest possible dimension of the row space of A if A is a 3 by 4 matrix? What is the largest possible dimension of the row space of A? Solution. Dimension of row A equal to, we know that dimension of rank row A equal to rank A. The rank A is the number of pivot positions in matrix A. Since the number of pivot positions cannot extended number of rows or columns, therefore, the largest possible rank A equal to 3. For both matrices, the largest possible dimension of row A equal to 3. Okay. Next, we discuss another problem. Okay. Listen carefully. Okay. If A is a 6 by 4 matrix, what is the smallest possible dimension of null A? What is the smallest possible dimension of null A? Okay, solution. Given that A is a 6 by 4 matrix, since the rank A is number of pivot position in matrix A, since the rank A is the number of pivot positions in matrix A, let matrix A have almost 4 pivot positions. Let matrix A have almost 4 pivot positions. That is, rank A is less than or equal to 4. That is, rank A is less than or equal to 4. From rank theorem, rank of A plus dimension of null A equal to okay, solution. Given that A is a 6 by 4 matrix. A is a 6 by 4 matrix. Since the rank of A is the number of pivot positions in matrix A, let matrix A have almost 4 pivot positions. That is, rank of A is less than or equal to 4. From the rank theorem, rank of A plus dimension of null A equal to n. Rank of A plus dimension of null A equal to n. Therefore, dimension of null A equal to 4 minus n mean 4 minus rank A is implies dimension of null A is greater than or equal to 4 minus 4. Here rank A is 4. Okay. Therefore, dimension of null A equal to 0. Therefore, the smallest possible dimension of null A equal to 0. Next, we discuss another problem. Is the matrix 2 by 1 is 1 4 and eigenvectors of 2 by 2 matrix is minus 3 1 minus 3 8. If so, find the eigenvalues. Question. Answer. Given matrix is A equal to 2 by 2 matrix is minus 3 1 minus 3 8. Let x equal to 2 by 1 matrix is 1 4. 1 4. Consider A into x equal to A is 2 by 2 matrix minus 3 1 minus 3 8. B is 2 by 1 matrix 1 4. Okay, we do multiplication. Okay, minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 1 into 4 4. Okay, next to minus 3 into 1 minus 3 plus 8 into 4 32. Therefore, minus 3 plus 4 mean 1, minus 3 plus 32 29. Okay, Ax equal to 2 by 1 matrix is 129. Therefore, Ax not equal to lambda into 2 by 1 matrix 1 4. Therefore, Ax not equal to lambda x. Therefore, the matrix 2 by 1 is 1 4 is not an eigenvector of matrix A. 1 by 4 is not an eigenvector of matrix A. Okay, this problem is over. Next problem discuss. For A equal to 3 by 3 matrix is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Find one eigenvalue with no cancellations. Testify your answer. Okay, answer. Given matrix is A equal to 3 by 3 matrix is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Since the columns of matrix A are linearly dependent, since the columns of a matrix A are linearly dependent, is implies A is not invertible.
Hey.
A is not okay. For A equal to 3 by 3 matrix is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Find one eigenvalue with no cancellation. Testify your answer. Solution. Given matrix is A equal to 3 by 3 matrix is 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Since the column of matrix A are linearly dependent, is implies A is not invertible. Therefore, 0 is the eigenvalue of given matrix A. Okay, over. Next, we discuss another problem. Show that if A square is the 0 matrix, show that if A square is the 0 matrix, then the only eigenvalue of A is 0. Then the only eigenvalue of A is 0. Let A square be 0 matrix if Ax equal to lambda x. If Ax equal to lambda x and x not equal to 0, then A square x equal to A into Ax is implies A square x equal to A into lambda x bracket is implies lambda into Ax is implies A square x equal to lambda into lambda x. Therefore, A square x equal to lambda square x. A square x equal to lambda square x. Since x not equal to 0, therefore lambda not equal to 0. Therefore, the matrix A show that if A square is a 0 matrix, okay, therefore the matrix A has only eigenvalue 0. Next problem we discuss about define eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Solution. Characteristic roots are eigenvalues.
నా కలకూతులు అది ఒంగూరుకు పోయి మంది తెచ్చినారా
The roots
రోజు
of the
ఆయనకి
characteristic
ఇట్లా ఇప్పుదా
equation.
అయిపోలేదా లేదు పెట్టేసేది
The roots of the characteristic equation mod a minus lambda I equal to 0 are called characteristic
ఇక్కడ బయటికి వెళ్ళి
roots represented as lambda 1, lambda 2, so on lambda n.
రాదు పెగ్గు ఉండని చేసేపు నేను